Okay, so I'm going to do a review on this APULITO mold and mildew cleaner. So you're first going to cut the seal off, put this applicator top on, and now you've got this little precision applicator that's got a hole already in it that you can put wherever you need it to go. Now you're going to screw this back on. Now it does say to wear some disposable or some kind of glove to keep the chemical off of your hands. Okay, so I'm at my washing machine on this one. Let's go over here on this side. I've got some kind of mold and mildew kind of starting to grow back in here. I'm going to smear it on. It's like a gel. Again, don't get this on your hands. See how it comes out like a gel. Now I'm going to smear that around with like a paper towel. Okay, so this one did a really good job cleaning the seal. You can see over here on this side, I wiped it off, rinsed it off. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.